Hello guys and welcome to CoreProof channel. Today in this video I am going to discuss detailed explanation of the physics question of the day 13. As you can see, both the questions were simple but conceptual. So I suggest you to watch the video solution till end. और मैं आपसे एक सजेशन चाहता हूँ, आप मुझे बताइए कि मैं जो वीडियो सॉल्यूशंस हैं वो टोटली इंग्लिश में बनाऊँ या टोटली हिंदी में बनाऊँ या इंग्लिश और हिंदी में से मैं स्विच हो रहा हूँ वैसा बनाऊँ. तो प्लीज़ टेक्स्ट मी इन द कमेंट सेक्शन and I have also made a telegram group for you guys where you can text me any problem that you have regarding physics, chemistry and biology. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. See you in the next video. Okay.
So this question is from the question of the day 13, and this is the first question and this is the second question, and both the questions are very simple, and the only concept we have to apply here is for the work done on the extended body, the distances are measured from the center of mass in both the questions. It can be easily solved and there is no problem in it. So first I read the question. The question says a meter stick. It means that its length is 1 meter. This meter stick का जो length है वो 1 meter है, and weighing 600 gram is displaced through an angle 60 degree. मतलब इस मीटर स्टिक को हमने 60 डिग्री एंगल से डिस्प्लेस किया है. we have moved this stick from here to here, and we have to find the increase in potential energy. तो in the formula of potential energy is potential energy का formula mgh, but it is for the point bodies. Formula is for the point bodies, not extended bodies. So what can we do? We have to redraw this diagram using this concept, and we can simply solve this question. I am drawing this. देखो, the length of the meter stick is 1 meter. So what I have to do, as we know that this is the extended body and an uniform stick है, तो इसका जो सेंटर ऑफ मास होगा वो कहाँ पे मिलेगा, हमें सेंटर में मिलेगा, बीच में मिलेगा. तो इसका अगर लेंथ 1 मीटर है तो यहाँ पर जो इसका लेंथ होगा इट विल बी हाफ मीटर्स, एंड वी कैन अज्यूम दैट द होल स्टिक इज कंसंट्रेटेड हियर एट दिस पॉइंट. नाउ if you displace this by angle of 60 degree, it will become somewhere here, and ऐसा हो जाएगा जैसा आप देख सकते हैं स्क्रीन में, ऐसा. This angle will be 60 degree. Now the question is simple. What we have to find is increase in the height. So this is your height, increase in height. We know the mass and we know the g. We have to just find the height. So what we can do is we can find the L cos theta. Here the length is half meters and its cos theta. The half cos theta or cos 60 degree will be 1/2 into cos 60. It also 1/2. It will be 1/4. So here the length is 1/4 meters up till here. We have to find increase in length. So what we have to do is h is equals to initial length is half meter and final position is 1/4. The difference will be 1/4 meters. This is the increase in length. And for the finding the potential energy will be equals to mass, and mass is equals to 600 grams. You have to convert in kg, divide by 1000 into g. G is equals to 10 meters per second, as you can see here. And height will be 1/4 meters. Here that what I have find it here. So potential energy will be equals to, you can simply solve that, ऐसा कट जाएगा, and 6/4 it comes out to be 1.5 joule. Correct option will be option A. Okay. Now if we move to the second question, the second question says, this question is also based on the same concept. Here the uniform chain of length L and mass m is placed on a smooth table and 1/3 of its length, L by third length is hanging, and we have to find the work done to pull the chain back on the table. So here also we can apply the same concept, and we can draw this extended body as a point body. I am drawing the diagram again, see, and this is the table, and we can assume the center of mass of this chain to be here. Whole mass which is hanging down, it can be represented by this black dot, and its length will be L by 3 divided by 2, L by 6. What I have said, that for extended body measure distance from the center of mass, so we have to measure distance from center of mass, so its distance is L by 6, and work done will be, what will be the work done? If I pull the chain up, it will be increasing, there will be increase in the potential energy of this body, so increase in potential energy will be equals to work done. So what I have to do is, we have to find the mass. First of all, we have to find the mass, and representing M dash. So M mass is for the whole chain, and its length was L. Now our hanging part is L by 3, so its mass will be M by 3. It's simple as that. I have divided this side by 3 and this side also by 3, and I got the mass of hanging part as M by 3. The M dash will be M by 3, and its length from the center of mass is M by 6. So what I have to do is find the potential energy change. What will be the increase in potential energy? So potential energy will be is equals to same concept mgh, but here h will be is equals to L by 6, and mass is equals to M by 3. M G L and divide by 6 into 3, it comes out to be mgl by 18. So the correct option will be here, option D. So both the questions are very simple, and it was based on the concept of extended body, and for any question of extended body, we have to solve it by using the center of mass and measure the distance from center of mass, and assuming that the whole body is whole its mass is considered at this point, and its distance is from the center of mass, and you can solve it simply. It's very easy. See you in the next video.